Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the covalent bond. So let's start the video. As we have already discussed that the covalent bond is formed between the two electronegative atoms, and the covalent bond is formed by the mutual sharing of electrons. Focus on this word, that is the mutual sharing, because sometimes students confuse in electrovalent or covalent bond. In electrovalent bond, the complete transfer of electrons from the one atom to the another atom takes place, but in case of covalent bond, the mutual sharing of electron between two similar atoms, it may be the two similar atoms or dissimilar atoms happen. So the covalent bond is formed by the mutual sharing of electron between two similar or the two dissimilar atoms. Moreover, each atom contributes equal number of electrons for sharing. Equal number of electrons for sharing. And the combining atoms may share 1, may share 2, and may share 3 pair of electrons. So combining atoms may share 1 electron, may share 2 electrons, and may share 3 electrons for complete their duplet and for complete their octets. Let us take an examples of sharing of 1 electron. And here the examples are hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen have, there is 1 valence electron in their valence shell, and it is the one hydrogen. Another hydrogen atom also have the 1 valence electron, and hydrogen like atoms attain there are 2 electron in their valence shell for complete their duplet. So it can share 1 electron and complete its duplet, and there is 1 electron sharing between the 2 hydrogen atoms. So we can show a single line between the 2 hydrogen atoms, and this single line is known as single bond. Single bond between the hydrogen atom. Like the hydrogen atom, chlorine also forms the single bond, because in chlorine there are 7 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is 7. So for complete its octet, it needs 1 electron. So there are 7 electrons of the one chlorine atom. Another chlorine also have the 7 valence electron. So it can share the 1 electron and complete its octet like this. And because the sharing of electron there is 1, so we can show the single line between the both chlorine atoms. Okay. Now let us understand there are important things in this sharing of electrons. There are 6 electrons left on the one chlorine atom, and also there are 6 electrons left on the another chlorine atom. So there are 2 types of electron chlorine have. These electrons take part, it is a single line, and there are one single line represent the 2 electrons. 1 electron of the one chlorine and another electron of the another chlorine. So one line, that the one single bond represent the 2 electrons, and these electrons are known as bonding electrons, or also known as bond pair electron. Bond pair electrons. Now these electrons which are not taking part in the bonding, and these electrons, that's why are known as non-bonding electron, and also known as lone pair of electrons. So remember these things, that the electrons which are taking part in the bonding are known as the bond pair or the bonding electrons, and the electrons which are not taking part in the bonding are known as non-bonding electrons or non-pair electrons. Now next, let us take an example of oxygen in sharing of two sharing of 2 electrons. Oxygen have the 6 valence electron in their valence shell. So attain the octets, it required 2 electrons. So it shared the 2 electrons with the another atom of the oxygen. So there are 6 valence electron in the valence shell of the oxygen of one atom, and there are 6 electron in the valence shell of the another oxygen atoms. It share the 2 electron and complete its octet. Another oxygen also share the 2 electrons and attain its octet. So because of sharing of the 2 electrons, we can show the double bond or 2 lines between the 2 oxygen atoms. So it is known as double bond between the oxygen atoms, and there are 4 electrons left on the oxygen atoms, and these are non-bonding electrons or lone pair electrons. Now let us discuss about the sharing of 3 electrons, and here the example is nitrogen. Nitrogen have the 5 valence electrons, so it required 3 electrons to attain the octet. So there are 5 valence electrons in the valence shell of the nitrogen. So it shared the 3 electrons with another atom of the nitrogen and attained the octet. So we can show the triple line between the nitrogen atoms, and it is known as triple bond. Triple bond, and there are 1 lone pair electron on the nitrogen atom. So it is all about the